forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Can you name these Jamaican fruits and vegetables? You know what this is? I think this one is easy. Do you know what this is? Again. Adding a new one. This. You know what these are? Can you name these? Guys, we are out. We are at Mabay Cinema, movie theatre. What are we watching out there?
Tough Gang Show.
I love Bob Marley.
Yeah,
yes. We've got our popcorn, we've got our juice, and we're ready. That is it.
So, popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah, fry eye.
Please. Anyway, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna watch the movie and then let you know what we thought of it after.
That's all.
Say something to the vlog.
We're out. Out and good.
Okay, hey everyone. You would have seen in the previous clip that Outlaw and I went to see One Love movie at the Montego Bay movie theatre, and it's my first time. Like I said, it's my first time going to a movie theatre out here. It was a good experience. Movie theatre was nice and everything. The movie was okay for me. It was okay. Outlaw feels the same. I think because we kind of saw the movie quite late in the day, or quite late. A lot of people had seen it before us, and you know, we'd gone off everybody else's reviews and everything that we've seen online. And so I think my expectation was a bit higher. Like I think I expected more. I think it was a little. It was okay. I think it was a bit surface level. I know everybody's got mixed reviews. Some people think it's great. Some people think no. I do think though that the actor who played Bob Marley, for me, I think he did a great job. I think he captured his mannerisms and his characteristics and, you know, like his spirit. So I think he did really well. Outlaw feels like he should be a Jamaican, but that's understandable, right? That played him. But I think he did really well. I think the movie though, I think it was more about the music. I think the movie was great for the music. Yeah, definitely. But I felt like I wanted to see a little bit more or learn a little bit more about his life, get a little bit more in depth. But overall, the movie was okay. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out, and you know, you can make your own judgment, so to speak. The cost, that's what I was talking about. The cost of the movie I thought was really good. So we paid 2,100 Jamaican dollars each for adults, and that works out to be about I think that's about 15, that works out to be about 15 US dollars each, roughly, thereabout, and about 11 pounds. I think that's quite good. Yeah, 11 pounds for adults, or 15 US dollars, for the, you know, to see the movie. And then the snacks we bought popcorn, medium popcorn, and a medium drink, which served for both of us. The only thing I don't like is they only do salty popcorn. They don't do sweet. Yeah, I don't think that's the thing out here. But the snacks, and I bought a chocolate bar as well, a Snickers bar. that came to about $800 altogether, which I thought was really good. That's like £4 English money, £4, and about £6 roughly US dollars. So I thought that was really good, because guys, I don't know about in America, but you know, the UK, going to the cinema, going to the movie theatre and buying snacks is expensive. So I just want to let you know, guys, know the cost. That's what we paid. So I thought it was quite good. Definitely going back to the movie theatres again.
We got Roundstone. I feel like today, market there, wholesale there. And now I have something. When you come on to food, you have to get food. Wow. Yes, man. What going on in there? Sea pepper. Yeah, some scallion, done. Get a 1 pint.
I say, Rasta, no 150 a pound Irish.
Get a 1 pint for the female.
Yeah, 150 a pound Irish.
So look at that stuff there. You don't want to go around it? Sell them there. Watch out now. Hey, that's something on the market place.
And the 150 the Irish up the road.
Never drop it. See? Tomato. Thing named melon. You don't know what this? Cantaloupe. Go. It work. I will tell you, we can't live off the ball. Here, you want and go through. What have there?
Market there.
Market here. You bring them thing there. Yeah, go home.
Wholesale. We have the wholesale with a bend down.
Right, that's everything there. Bend down and pick up where you want. Wait, pay money and move. Right, that's up.
That's it.
Never drop it. Hold on, I think I'm going on the side. This is what I'm going to say. Sweet potato, pumpkin. Yum. How much a pound for yam?
1 ginger, 150.
Look a piece of it now. No, want a dry piece of yam. Yeah, where that piece is?
Good yellow yam.
Wait, that one.
Good yard yam, eh? Good yard yam.
That little piece there?
Alright,
here you go. When you come at wholesale market, 1 little, call it £2. That's how we do things at the market.
Yeah.
Call it that. And that's not, but we call it that.
Yeah, man, you know, nice yellow yam, man. We don't wood farm back.
See that? Sea pepper. Master God. Yeah. You hear that? We don't drop that something here. Round there. What for something I show you, man? Some cook up starfish and all these things. Good old yellow yam. Good old starf yam. You know, one dumpling, a good something.
What? We've got some banana. He's gonna cut down some. They don't need too much.
From your course.
Right there.
Good, you can pick food up, you can get food in your backyard.
Exactly.
Yeah, very beautiful. It is a nice feeling.
But look at these ones. These are the ones. These are different type, innit?
Yeah.
These are purpley, like a purple colour.
You call them now.
Doesn't even look purple on the thing, but they're
Apple
purple.
banana.
Apple banana.
Yeah. And short and took like apple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're like purple colour. I
Yeah,
don't know
man,
if you can see
it's
it
a different shade of
Yeah, I can't see the colour too well. Maybe it's a bit dark now, but
yeah, man, I said that they have a purple colour.
yeah,
Burgundy looking colour.
yeah, burgundy colour to them, and they're small and just like Allah says, tuku tuku.
Yeah, man.
Small and short and fat.
Tuku tuku.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
That's something when them tuku tuku. Yeah, pian pian.
So this is what we're having for dinner today.
Yeah, from the backyard.
From backyard to kitchen. But look, guys,
Eat where you grow.
eat what you grow. But look, I wanted to show you this.
No.
Look.
Are they smart about too?
So there's them two there. But look, I saw these the other day. I don't even know if you can see it. See it there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, and up there too. Yeah.
Different March.
When
June.
March?
Yeah, mango June. May, June, yeah,
May.
mango, yeah.
And then look at all the blossoms here. Look at these little ones coming.
Mango that's bigger.
Look, loads.
As a mango.
All the
It's
little
what the trees don't
blossoms.
blow like that and blow off blossom.
Yeah.
I know what that means.
But the mangoes are coming. Look, they're
Yeah,
coming.
mango out and good.
Yeah. This is a black mango tree, right?
Yeah.
And I know that people in foreign, you guys love your East Indian. and your East Indian and your Julie mango. But black mango is my favourite.
Yes.
Because they're a little bit, they just, and the skin is thin, and just one of them, a few of them is good for me. They're my favourite, definitely.
So,
yeah.
Real Jamaican now when I left for black mango.
Yeah.
Number 11.
Yeah.
Stringy. Marry long tongue. And sweetie come brush me.
What's the beefy one?
Beefy. Or Hayden.
Hayden, that's the one
yes.
I'm thinking.
You have to definitely over hunger if you eat up a Hayden mango. Yeah, are you craving?
Meaty.
No, not a craving. Not Jamaica, not a craving.
Is it meaty? Is it like meaty?
Yeah, like a craving.
Craving.
Yeah, craving is English. Yeah. Craving. Yeah, if you eat up one of them mango there. Yeah, too good.
Yeah, but alright guys, can anybody tell me what tree is this? Just from here. Can anybody make it out? Alright, let me go closer. Alright, who can tell me what's this? What is this? What is this? Yes, pomegranate. In Jamaica they say
Pranganat.
In Jamaica they say pranganat, we say pomegranate. So this is in the front communal part. Yeah, there's another tree there. There's a tree over there as well. What's this one? Apple tree. Okay, that's an apple tree. It's not pear. Okay, pear tree. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, pear tree, avocado. Yeah. So yes, guys, the compound is very fruitful. But yeah, when these are ready, I'm definitely going to try one. Yeah, there's June plum around there. Okay, there's another
Pranganat
tree. Oh yeah, look, June plum tree, look.
Yeah.
June plum on the
Holy
tree.
plum
Yeah, look.
Crazy plum, I make some juice. Some June plum, like a ginger.
At the top.
I make shot.
Yeah. Didn't even know there was June plum on it.
Yeah, that's it.
Didn't know it was bearing. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we're very. There's a soursop tree as well somewhere, but I don't think it's soursop time yet.
No, that's not.
Yeah, but it's very, very fruitful. So big up to the gardener who does all the planting and taking care of all the. Yeah, it's got very green fingers. Yes, guys. Yeah, that is it.